Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Uniquely with Iftikhar. So the topic we shall be discussing today is kind of situation's demand. On demand of this situation, I prepared this video. Today we shall be talking about Dihing Patkai. I shall be talking on something very much relevant to the situation and what can be done from my point of view. So as we all know, we can see the hashtags like I am Dihing Patkai, save Dihing Patkai. So who are the antagonists for whose fault? What were the anomalies that we are in such a situation that we are now protesting that Dihing Patkai should be saved? Dihing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary, Dihing Patkai Elephant Reserve, Dihing Patkai Rainforest. Such huge this tropical land is, and that is why it is called to be the Amazon of Northeast. Dihing Patkai is a tropical wetland which falls in the districts of Dibrugarh, Tinsukia and Charaideo in the state of Assam in India. And it is very much famous for its flora and fauna, for its biodiversity. But in this 21st century, I will not say him, he or someone, actually we human beings, we failed actually. We are so much in illusion of money and power that we failed to know the importance of biodiversity, the importance of flora and fauna in our day-to-day life. We are now in such a state that we always think that we human beings are superpowers, are the ultimate. Even if you analyze, we have such a mindset in us that we are the only creatures who exist in this world. We don't even give a damn to the other creatures. But if you sit and think if you give some time to this thought, that will we be able to survive in this world without this biodiversity, without flora and fauna? No. These are the things actually which is giving us, or which are giving us, the natural elements which we need for our survival. Money, a huge bank balance, a good car, a good house is not what we need for our survival. Food, it is not just food. In the preparation process of food, this biodiversity acts a very vital role. It is biodiversity for whom or because of which we are inhaling oxygen. The natural scenario of Assam or of Northeast is so vital, so green, so pure. Why? Because of biodiversity. Just think once about Delhi. The people there needs to buy good fresh air. Good fresh air is sold to them and we are getting it for free. Their environment is so much polluted that for them, like inhaling in an open place, inhaling is kind of a nightmare for them. Because they are not inhaling pure oxygen, they are actually inhaling viruses and bacteria because of pollution. So, we are in such a place where we are getting everything in a pure state, in a pure form. And this is just because of biodiversity. The main effect that is done to Dihing Patkai is coal mining. And it is not kind of a illegal coal mining, it is a legal coal mining. Government of India have given permission for coal mining in those areas, and because of coal mining, the things which happen in the process of coal mining is affecting the flora and fauna and the biodiversity of Dihing Patkai. And in the coming years, in future, there will be a time when we will lost our Amazon. We will lost our own Amazon. So it's my earnest request to those authority who give permission for such happenings. Why are you giving the permission? Just to take out some tax? Just to get some royalty? Just to increase the revenue? You can do that by other means also. I am not saying that don't expect revenue or taxes from Dihing Patkai. Yes, you can expect, but not by degrading our Amazon, not by deteriorating our Amazon, not by letting our Amazon to die. Make Dihing Patkai such a tourist place. Invest on the tourism sector. And when the tourism sector will be invested, Dihing Patkai will definitely give you revenue, but not by coal mining. Please stop coal mining in Dihing Patkai. Dihing Patkai needs your attention. Coal mining is destroying Dihing Patkai, and we don't want our Amazon to get destroyed. Promote Dihing Patkai as a tourist place. I know there are hoardings. It is considered to be a tourist place, but just by placing 5, 6 or some count of hoardings and just by declaring it as a tourist place, a tourism spot in pen and paper, actually doesn't work. Promote it, and after that see the amount of revenue it grabs, because it is one of the biggest rainforests, the elephant reserve where elephants can roam freely. It is a wildlife sanctuary. Many species are found there. It is very much rich in flora and fauna. So why are you destroying it? I was never on the part of destroying nature, and now also this video I made with such a view only that please don't destroy nature, because without nature. Without biodiversity, without flora and fauna, we will not be able to survive. Please save Dihing Patkai. Please save Dihing Patkai. Thank you.